Welcome to this instructional video on how to change injectors, also known as pump elements, and install or replace lubrication lines on your Groeneveld BEKA GM pump. The GM pump allows for the installation of up to 90 individual pump elements. This is made possible by the exchangeable ring with outlet bores. The outlet ring is available with 12 up to 90 bore holes, depending on your system's requirements. Before installing new pump elements, ensure that any possibly installed screw plugs or injectors that need replacing are removed from the desired outlet bores. Now, carefully screw the pump elements into the outlet bores in the requested order. It is crucial to mind the correct sequence for proper lubrication. The pump elements are equipped with a convenient plug-type connection for easy connection to the lubrication hoses. To ensure a secure connection, check it by firmly pulling on the hose once it's inserted. To release the hose, press the ring into the bushing. You can now safely pull out the hose. When assembling the lubrication lines, professional layout is essential for a reliable system. Assemble the lines and ensure they are free from any distortion to prevent leaks or damage. It's vital to pay close attention to the pressure tightness of all fittings to guarantee proper lubrication and prevent lubricant loss. If possible, utilize a lubricant-filled hose. This eliminates the need for manual filling before the device is put into operation, saving time and ensuring immediate lubrication. By following these steps, you can successfully change the injectors and install or replace the lubrication lines on your GM pump. Thank you for choosing Groeneveld BEKA. For more information and support, please refer to your product manual or visit our website.